In a bowl, add all your dry ingredients. Black pepper, white pepper, chili powder, cumin, oregano, paprika, salt, white sugar, pepper flakes, brown sugar, and garlic powder. So you're gonna mix this really well until it's blend. And you're gonna keep mixing until it blends well, and then you're gonna put this on your pork ribs.